Now our next term taken is state function. State function or state variables. First we take state function or state variables. Then we take path function after that. So what is state function or state variables? Definition write down. देखिए, these are thermodynamic properties. Write down. These are thermodynamic properties whose value, the change in whose value, these are the thermodynamic properties, the change in whose value depends only on the change in whose value depends only on the initial and final state, only on the initial and final state of system, and not on the path followed, These are those thermodynamic properties, the change in whose value depends only on the initial and final state of system and not on the path followed. Means if it is taken as a change in state function, the change in state function has a fixed value, if we define the initial and final state. Means the example of properties can be taken like here: pressure, volume, temperature, energy given in form of U. U is called as internal energy, H is called enthalpy, S is called entropy, G is called as Gibbs free energy. The change in these properties will depend only on the initial state and the final state, not the path followed. If I suppose take here, we go from one point to other point A to point B. It can follow a direct path, or it can first go to this point here and then to this point here, or first it can go to this point, then to this point, then to this point. They can follow three pathways. Path number, let's say 1, path number 3, and path number 2. If I define any of the property, if I suppose right here change in enthalpy, delta H for this process will be how much? Enthalpy at point B minus enthalpy at point A. It can be taken in any path. If I write delta H of path 1 equal to delta H of path 2 equal to delta H of path 3. All the three paths, the delta H value will be same. Delta T, delta P, delta V, delta H, delta S, delta G, delta U, all will be same if you go from this to this point. The change in the properties whose value depends only on the initial state and final state, functional state. State is the term important here. Initial state and final state. Initial state and final state, both the cases. State is important. Actually, what is state? State simply means conditions. State simply imply conditions. State simply imply conditions, and to define the conditions, we require some variables. We call them as state variables or state function, because when they will change, the property will change. When they will change, the property will change. So the change in the value of such properties, the change in the value of these properties will depend only on the initial state and the final state. We call this function or properties as state functions or state variables. If I define further slightly more, if I write here, suppose dt is changing temperature for this process. If I define initial state I, f taken final state, so this changes how from here to here. On integrating, it is given delta h, and this delta h can be taken as t final minus t initial. If you define the initial and final states, and then on integrating this dt term from this to this state will be delta t change, total change, and this is tf minus ti. Okay, so it is called state function. If I suppose write further here, du change in internal energy. If I define initial to final states, it can be in how much? Delta u, and delta u can be how much? It is u final minus u initial. So meaning what? These properties dt or du or d as I can write so far are exact differential. The property of state function, we can write that this term dt du, they are exact differential. So means such is the example of this state function. So the properties which we can define between two states, change in the property will be fixed. It is path independent, and we have some properties more which depend on the path as well. We call them as path function. Let us take the meaning of path function. Path function. Now, what is meaning of path function? We can write definition first. Look here. These are those properties. These are those properties. The change in whose value. The change in whose value depends not only on the initial and final state, but also depends on path followed. The properties whose value or change in whose value, if we write in terms of change, the properties whose value will depend not only on the initial state and the final state, but also depend on the path followed. By definition, the properties whose value depends not only on the initial and the final state, but also path followed. If we take two common examples taken here is Q and work. Q is taken as heat exchange. It is heat exchange, and W taken as a work done. Q and heat exchange are the common examples of properties which are path function. Again, in examination questions, the identification of state function and path function. So Q and W are the common examples of the path function. See these properties taken here, Q and W, they are not the example of state function. They are not state function. Because a state function should be defined for a single system, and moreover these heat exchange or work done are also not the example of not extensive or intensive property. If they ask question what is work done is not intensive property or extensive property, because for a property to be intensive or extensive, they should be defined. These properties, extensive or intensive, should be defined for a single isolated system. They can be defined. But Q and work, where they are obtained, this Q and work are obtained at boundary. During a process, during a process. So remember, if they ask question sometime, remember it is not the heat contents, it is heat exchange in a process, and W is the work done in a process. So they are depending, means they will be obtained at boundary during a process. They will manifest themselves at the boundary. They are not the property of system as a whole. Suppose for example, आपके, let us say if I have some container which have water in this, then can we define its energy? Yes. Mass? Yes. Volume? Yes. Can we define kinetic energy? Yes. Can we define means energy of any form? We can define? Yes. But can we define its work? Can we define the Q until something happen? So means work or Q are given or observed only at the boundary during a process. So they cannot be defined as either intensive property or extensive property, since these properties are defined for single isolated system, work and Q not. So anyway, how to differentiate further? Suppose we are at like previous case, if I had dW in an integrate initial to final state, how this work can be written? It is not equal to it is not equal to delta W, which is not equal to work final minus work initial. We cannot define the work initial or work final. But what we get the answer here? If I write dW is equal to how much? Is equal to work. Total work done means in a given process, what is work done? We can write, if state is initial, state is final, the work done taken here will be given by this term, not delta W, which is not work final minus work initial. So meaning what this term dW can be taken inexact differential. Inexact differential. Path functions will have this property, they don't have exact differential. तो आपके लिए I hope it is clear path function. Moreover, work is clear to you कि suppose आप ही जाते हैं एक point से second point तक, if I suppose go from one point to second point to third point, point A to point B, if I go directly, if I go this then this, if I go first here then here and then here, so in all the cases you can see clearly that the work done will be different. कि आपको ही पहुंचना है एक जगह से सेकंड जगह पे, we can follow one shortcut path, long path, longest path. So in all the three cases we have to do different work. We will do different work. So work is example of a path function. And for doing work, energy required, the heat is taken heat exchange, which is helping in the work. Suppose, so in that case, Q will also be different. Q will also be different. So we can take this meaning of path function and work function. Okay. That is term taken here about path function and work function. So next bit is taken here different next term will be taken about here sign convention for heat and work, and then we will take about your different types of processes in production. Okay. Hello students. So in topic continuation, next we take topic is heat and work. The term heat is very common use. You are reading this term or listening this term heat from very beginning. So what is the meaning of this heat and work? देखिए both are the energy forms only. आपका heat भी energy का form है और आपका work भी energy का form है. दोनों में क्या difference है? दोनों तो energy होती हैं, तो दोनों में difference क्या होता है? Let us first take the meaning of term heat. What is heat? Heat can be taken basically energy's disordered form. What happens or how we define this term heat? Heat can be taken as it is the energy exchanged or energy transfer between system and surroundings. Or we can take what here, when two bodies are in contact, between two bodies in contact. Two bodies in contact. Due to, by virtue of difference of temperature. Difference of temperature. By difference of temperature. If you take two bodies are in contact or in a system and surroundings having one boundary which is real or imaginary, they exchange the heat. If you take, for example, we can take two bodies. If I take, suppose, a block made of metal having high temperature, let's say we take iron block having temperature 100 degrees Celsius. Now it is in contact. If I place one different body in contact, or we place one more block at low temperature, let's say 20 degrees Celsius, means any temperature which is lower than 100 degrees Celsius. Now what happens? What is observed to you? You can see commonly that after some time this body start becoming hotter. Why? Because of energy transfer. There is energy transfer from a body having high temperature to body having low temperature. So this energy transfer, because of two bodies are having different temperature, or we take an example, let's study last class that we take tea in a cup, leave for some time, system is open, but what happens? The tea become cold after some time. Why? Because tea have high temperature, surroundings have low temperature, so heat is transferred from tea to the surroundings. Remember, the change in the system is system can be smaller or bigger. Change in system properties will be higher. Property means like exchange, but surroundings are very big. The surroundings will show very little changes. So anyway, we can take this here. Heat is transferred to the surroundings. Farad Q is heat transferred to surroundings. So this heat transfer is occurring because of difference of temperature between two bodies in contact, or you can take system and surroundings. This heat energy exchange or energy transfer is called as heat. So basically heat is one form of energy whose transfer or exchange take place because of difference of temperature. And remember, heat is what here? Heat is disordered form. Disordered form of energy, or can also called as low quality energy. Low quality energy is the energy which is not used for completing purposes or reactions. So that can be called low quality energy or disordered form of energy. Like if you take for example, like let's say we are heating, we put in winter season, what happens? We put heaters, room heaters. What happens? There is what happens? The gas molecules are close, they will get energy, and then they will be moving in the entire room. So slowly what happens? The room will be hotter because of the heat transfer from that to the surroundings. So energy transfer is what here? Disorder. Close to heater, there is more heat. When we go away from heater, the energy will be, or we will feel colder because of lowering of temperature surrounding to that. So basically heat can be taken one more way. It is disordered form of energy, or can take low quality energy. And then what is work? So we can take all other forms. All other forms of energy transfer leaving this heat will be called as work. All other forms of energy transfer or exchange will be called as work. Is called work. So basically work is what here? Work can be taken. Work can be called like, it is called low quality, it is called high quality. It is called high quality energy. High quality energy, and it can be or can be called as ordered form of energy. So we can take, in the chapter we already told you definition wise we are studying the quantitative relationship between heat and all other forms of energy. All other forms of energy exchange relations, how they transfer changes, about that we are studying here. Okay, so that is the term taken heat and work. Now work can be taken your electrical work, mechanical work, ठीक है ना. So let us take the work. Now when you take work, it can be taken mechanical work, different forms. If I write slide introduction, it can be taken your mechanical work. Mechanical work means due to changing positions, movement of bodies. This can be taken force into displacement. Now, if it is taken in case of gases, if I take a gas having piston, if you take a gas in a cylinder which has piston, this piston is supposed to be massless and frictionless piston. So what happens in this case? The volume can change. If the volume can change, suppose it can be taken one position of volume, it is second position of volume. So volume can change. This piston can move up and down. So in this case, if for the cylinder we have area of cross section, for the cylinder we can have area of cross section, suppose taken A, and piston can move distance D. D, or I can say L. If for the cylinder we have the area of cross section A and this piston can move distance L. Now we have two possibilities. Either we can compress the gas, it has gas. We have a cylinder, it has gas fitted with a piston which can be, as a convention, supposed to be frictionless and massless. Area of cross section cylinder is A. Piston can move distance up or down L. If it is compressed, volume will decrease, or during expansion volume increases. So anyway, piston will move up and down. So in this case, this again piston is moving distance. So how to find the work done this one here? So this work normally can be called as work of compression or work of expansion. If I write here work of compression or expansion, it is due to change in volume. It can be taken what here? This can be taken P delta P external into delta V, V2 minus V1, P delta V. We write common term, or P into delta V. I will explain this meaning a bit more. How this expression we can obtain here? From this expression this can be obtained. If I write from here only, what is force? Force can be taken, or how we define pressure? It is force per unit area. So I can replace the term force by pressure into area. Sorry, force equal to how much? Pressure into area into L. L or distance is moving D. So this A into L is what here? Change in volume. Area of cross section into distance that the piston will move up or down, that is taken volume. This volume is the change in volume. Volume change. So we can express the same work here as pressure volume work. It is work of compression or work of expansion. We write by general formula P delta V. Okay. Now this work is required to us in solving many questions in thermodynamics. We will explain this work in detail. Work done in different kind of process: expansion, compression, adiabatic, isothermal, reversible, irreversible, free expansion, compression at different conditions. So that we'll discuss in detail. But just right only introduction part. So for timing, it is called as volume, pressure volume work, or it is because of change in volume, so can be called as work of compression or expansion of the gases. It is second work taken here. This P delta V. Now next can be taken here what? Your gravitational work. Gravitational work, that is taken as potential energy mgh. M into G is again force, height, the position wise. So this can be taken gravitational work. Then you can take electrical work done. Electrical work is same as free energy, that can be taken here NFE, or we can write here VIT. V into means this I into is the total, we can take charge in coulombs, E I can take the term potential difference. So it is electrical work. We can take different kind of work here. Among all the work in this chapter thermodynamics, this work is for us more important, work of compression or work of expansion. Why I am taking all these terms? Because we will now take the sign convention for the heat and work. We will take sign convention for heat and work. So you should know the basic meaning of work, because sometimes we get questions from calculation of work done. So that also we will explain to you in this topic. Now we take sign convention for heat and work, sign conventions. Okay, now what happens? This again heat sign conventions are very important, and be careful, don't mix in chemistry and don't mix this part in physics. So in chemistry, the sign convention which I am just giving to you, try to remember as such. बहुत simple है. Let us explain this. Then I will explain the method also to remember simply. देखिए पहले क्या होता है इसमें heat के लिए. For finding heat, if I take here heat exchange, if I write heat exchange, let's suppose first for heat. If I take heat exchange is Q by magnitude. Q is Q. Now we can have two possibilities. Either heat can be given out by system to surroundings, or heat can be absorbed by system from surroundings. So if I just write the without sign, I'm just writing heat exchange or heat involved. Heat involved is suppose taken Q. This is heat exchange or heat involved. If I write Q, then we have two possibilities. Heat absorbed by the system, it is taken plus Q, and heat evolved by the system minus Q. Means if I take here, suppose it is system, I can take two cases. Now suppose system exchange energy, if I write here, suppose Q involved is taken 20 kilojoules. If suppose energy taken of Q, the heat involved 20 kilojoules. Now we can have two possibilities. It is system. If system will absorb energy, then how to write Q? This we write Q equal to plus 20 kilojoules. If the system is taken here, lose energy 20 kilojoules, then how write Q in this case? Minus 20 kilojoules. So when heat is absorbed by the system, it is positive. Heat given by system is negative. आप सिंपली सोचिए ऐसे, जो आपको मिलेगा आपकी जेब में आ गया, that is positive. जो चला गया आपसे वो आपका हो जाएगा नेगेटिव. सेम थिंग सिस्टम में भी होता है कि अगर आपका सिस्टम एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब करेगा तो उसका साइन पॉजिटिव होता है. इफ सिस्टम विल लूज एनर्जी, साइन इज टेकन नेगेटिव. फॉर द हीट involved, which is taken 20 kilojoules. Okay, that is sign convention for heat. कि अगर आपका heat evolved है, negative, absorb, positive. ठीक है? तो question they sometimes don't give sign. They just write when the reaction take place, system will absorb heat, or in a reaction heat absorbed this much or heat evolved this much. When they use word heat absorb or heat evolved, sign is not given. तो साइन आपको अगर लेना है तो आपको साइन लेना पड़ेगा सोचने के बाद कि अगर दिया हीट एब्जॉर्ब प्लस हीट इवॉल्व नेगेटिव. ओके, दैट इज साइन कन्वेंशन फॉर हीट. नाउ वी टेक फॉर वर्क. नाउ अगेन वी कैन टेक two possibilities that work done is by system or work done on system. If I explain to you by using the example of pressure volume work, I will take the example pressure volume work. If I take one condition here, one condition here, it is volume V1, it is volume V2. Okay, now it is the case of expansion. of the gas. If initial volume by this much, the volume increase, V2 is in final volume. If I take compression, so in any way compression the volume will decrease. It is taken V1 initial volume, apply pressure, volume become V2. It is taken P external. It is P external. So it is initial volume in both the case. I am writing V1 as initial volume and V2 as final volume. In expansion, पहला केस क्या होगा? When the volume increases, it is the case of expansion of gas. It is the second case when the volume decreases, applying pressure, it is the compression of gas. There are two common kind of works: work of expansion or work of compression. Now let us take first here the meaning. Sign convention wise, if it is we take here work done by the system is taken minus work, and work done on the system it is taken plus W is equal to plus work. When we write here work done by system, it is taken negative, and work done on system it is taken positive. Now if I explain this term negative positive, इसका और क्या मीनिंग हो सकता है? Because in questions we will use this term commonly कि the gas undergo expansion, gas undergo compression. In that kind of case we need to understand this point. So let us explain this further. If I write here when the system will do work means expansion, it is a common sign convention for any type of work. This pressure volume work is sigma expression minus P external into volume change V2 minus V1. For any kind of work by convention in thermodynamics, chemistry, we are using this expression. Work taken minus P external into V2 minus V1. What is V2? Final volume. V1 initial volume. Now we can have two possibilities. If I take here in expansion, what happened? V2 is more than V1. So how much is work done taken here? V2 is this value become positive, so V2 minus V1, the term is positive. So I can write here this P external into V2 minus V1, which is positive, or I can write minus P external into delta V, which is positive. So it is work done. So I can write work is minus P external into delta V. It is the work of expansion. Work of expansion, it is also called work done by the system. It is work done by the system. We write here as minus P external into delta V. It is negative. So when we take the work done by system, it is same as the work of expansion. It is same as the work of expansion of the gas. If I then write here in compression, what happens? In compression, V2 is less than V1. Volume decrease of the gas. When the volume will decrease, so V2 minus V1, I can write is negative. That is I write delta minus delta V. So in this case, what is work done taken here? Minus P external into minus delta V. It is plus P external into delta V. ये positive हो जाएगा पूरा term. So it is what we can call here work of compression. It is the work done on the system. It is the work done on the system. So in solving question, these two expressions we can use commonly. If nothing is mentioned, we can take normally process taken supposed to be irreversible type. We don't get more deeper in that. Right now for time being start कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. So we can have two kind of work. One is work of expansion, where for the system or the gas volume increases. Second, work of compression where volume decrease. Now when the volume increases, then the system will do work. In expansion, the gas will undergo expansion against some external pressure. The gas will undergo expansion against some external pressure, that is called P external. And in compression, the gas will undergo contraction, decrease in volume on applying from outside pressure. From outside we apply pressure. So what happens from outside when we apply pressure? It is the work done on the system. It is the work done on the system when it is taken work of compression. In expansion, system will do work. In expansion, system will undergo or system will perform the work. So remember in questions, when you take work of expansion, it is work done by the system, and work of compression, it is the work done on the system. Compression is taken work done on the system. So these two terms should be clear, should keep in mind in attempting questions. Let us take one two basic elementary question on this concept to make even units clear. So in calculation of some questions on this topic, work done especially, we need some units. Like they will give the gas have volume this much. Now volume can be given in different units, maybe liters, sometimes milliliters, and then pressure can be given atmosphere, bar, or millimeter of mercury or torr units. So about the units, even though you know the units, I'll just repeat in brief about units. Now when you take pressure volume work, we need to have two units relation specially clear. One is pressure and one is volumes. So when you take pressure, we can take pressure in different units. Like if I write 1 atmosphere, will be how much? It is 101,325 pascals. That is Newton per meter square. 1 pascal same as Newton per meter square. Then you can take 1 bar is taken. You can take pressure. Atmosphere can be taken more units. Like 1 atmosphere can be taken further as 760 torr or 760 millimeter of mercury. This is 76 centimeter of mercury. Or it can be taken 1.01325 bar. Since 1 bar is equal to 10 to power 5 pascals. If you just see the relation, it can be taken also 1.01325 into 10 to power 5 pascals. So 10 to power 5 pascals is same as 1 bar. So pressure may be given in atmosphere or bar. Be careful and do the question accordingly. Then if I write here volume can be taken in different units. Like volume can be taken liter to cubic meter. Can take 1 cubic meter is taken 1000 liters. We can take 1 liter can be taken 1 decimeter cube, or we can take 1000 cc or 1000 milliliter. So volume can be taken different units, so is pressure. Now calculation of our work. When you take pressure volume work, how to find pressure volume work? We take pressure in we can take units pascals and take volume in cubic meter. Then the work can be obtained to us in joules. So if I take conversion factor here from this given information, 1 liter atmosphere will be how much? 1 liter means this can be taken how much it is cubic meter? 10 to power minus 3 cubic meter. So 10 to power minus 3 cubic meter into atmosphere is 1.01325 into 10 to power 5. This can be taken how much? 101.325 joules. Or if I divide this value by 4.184, so this value can be taken in calories units. So if I write the value 1 liter atmosphere can be taken 101.325 joules or 24.224 calories. So let take conversion factor of volume, pressure, volume, work. I can write in these two ways. If I write the value, suppose pressure, we take 1 liter bar should be how much then taken here? 100 joules. Or divided by 4.18, slightly less. So as per the question, we need to calculate work in common units, joules. We need to find the work in units, joules. Sometimes calories. So as per calories, you know 1 calorie is how much joules? 4.184. For doing questions, you can take 4.2 approximately. So in the question that normally mentioned, otherwise you can take from your side 1 calorie 4.2. 4.2 joules will make up 1 calorie. So that is what the units relations are there. Now on this unit relation, I will take 1-2 question for your clarity. Now one question is given to you. Question आपको दिया हुआ है, a gas undergoes expansion from 2 liter to 5 liter against constant external pressure of 2 atmosphere. Then find work done. First we can take here in liter atmosphere, work done in the units taken here. First liter atmosphere, second joules, and third calories. Question दिया है, a gas undergoes expansion from 2 liter to 5 liter against constant external pressure of 2 atmosphere. Then find the work done in first part दिया है liter atmosphere, second part आपको दिया है joules में, और third दिया है calories में. So do this question yourself. Come on, solving this question. Question is very elementary question. It is just to give you the slight insight of units, using units properly. When solving this question, what I can take the work done taken here by relation minus P external into V2 minus V1. It is a general formula for such kind of case when the gas undergoes expansion or compression against some constant external pressure. So in this case, what is taken pressure here? 2 atmosphere. What is volume final? 5 liter. Initial volume 2 liter. It is how much coming on solving? It is minus 3. So it is minus 3 into 2, 6 liter atmosphere. Now we have already taken conversion factor. So 6 into 101.325 joules minus 6 into 24.24 calories. So the answer can be taken in different terms. These all can be taken answers for solving this question or this kind of questions. So basically this question is nothing but only a small application of units. कि आपको units का कैसे use करना है work को calculation में या heat के calculation में. Okay? That is about your heat and work introduction. Sign convention. You be careful. Whenever we take work of expansion, यहाँ लिखा नहीं आपका अपना पाएगा. When we take work of expansion, it is negative because the expansion is done by the system, by the gas. So when a gas undergo expansion means it is work done by system. In compression, the work is done on the system, and that work will be positive. In compression, the work done is on the system, and that work will be positive by sign convention. Okay, so that is our introduction of heat and work, sign convention, terms meaning. Now next we can take here what introduction of different types of processes involved. So let us say next part, types of process involved.